Hello guys, how are you? This is Ritesh. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the installation of Docker on Linux machine. Here I have used a Ubuntu Linux machine version 20.04. The steps to install Docker on Ubuntu are given on the Docker site. We will follow the steps and prerequisite. The URL I will mention it in the description box. There are simple few steps. First, the requirements or the prerequisites. Prerequisites are first Ubuntu and its code name is Focal. Version is 20.04. Next is Ubuntu Eon 19.10. Then is Ubuntu Bionic 18.04. Ubuntu Xenial 16.04. These are the versions. Next, Docker engine supports x86 as well as x64 versions. Means it supports both versions. Let's first check the prerequisite. First we will open the terminal. Command to check the versions and the code name is lsb underscore release space hyphen all or hyphen a. Hit enter. As you can see, release is 20.0, code name is Focal. That means it meets our requirement. Next command is to check the Docker engine, if there is any Docker engine or container running in the system. The command is sudo apt get remove docker engine space docker.io space container space run c. Hit enter. It will ask for the password. Enter the password. As you can see, unable to locate any Docker engine package. Let's move to the next step. Next step is to install repositories, packages that are required for Docker engine. First we will update the basic packages required for Ubuntu. Next, additional packages. We will install it one by one. First package is apt transport https space package name. Hit enter. Next package is CS certificates. Next package is curl. Next package is GNU-PG agent. And last package is software properties common. Now we are done with all prerequisite. Next is to add Docker official JPG key. To do that, this is the command sudo says OK, means it's completed successfully. Next, to run the fingerprint command. The key that we have downloaded, now it's time to install. We have run the key. Now next, there are many things to do to install Docker engine, like this command, then cache addition docker, then install Docker, so on. Docker has done one thing, they have combined all the commands in one script. Now we only have to run that one script. The script is this. First we need to download the script from Docker site. I will show you what the script contains. As you can see, script contains many things that were written in the steps. Steps provided by Docker. First we will run the script to download. Once the script is downloaded, it's time to run the script. Command is sudo for elevated writes, then sh get docker.sh. It will take more 5 minutes to install the Docker. Guys, installation has been completed. As you can see, Docker engine version If you want to check the Docker engine version, the command is docker space version. Here you can see the same thing. Docker engine version is 19.03.12. Now we will run one Docker image. To go, first we will go on the Docker Hub. I have already created my ID. It is free, you can sign in up. I will run a small image, that is well say. This is the image that we are going to run. This is how it will look. Okay. To run this, we will copy the command, paste. First, what it will do, it will check the image. If it's fine in the local system, it will pull from there. If it doesn't find, then it will find the path where it is. That is, it will go to the Docker Hub first. See, as you can see, compatibility, it's pulling the image Docker well. Then it will download the required files. As you can see, the image has been run. Now we will run the same image. Instead of here, we will type hello world. This time see what happens. It run directly because the image is already downloaded in your system now. So it does not go to internet for checking the system image. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Docker videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.